Did you know that you can get rid of a curse with an egg? It's true. In Latin culture, eggs are used as a cleansing device. All you need is an egg and a cup of water. You can always have Florida water on hand if you like to use it. I personally love using Florida water. And you can also light a white candle as you're doing the egg cleansing. But the main ingredients are that egg and the water. We're gonna cleanse ourselves with the egg, and then we're gonna crack it in the water to see the results. So first, to cleanse yourself, you want to take your egg and you're going to set the intention. Whenever you're doing spiritual work, you really want to be clear on your intention. You want to cleanse yourself from jealousy, from envy, from negativity, from anyone looking at you consciously or unconsciously, right? With malintent or bad intentions towards you. So you take your egg and you want to do a quick prayer. And then you're going to start cleansing yourself from the very top of your head towards the bottom of your feet. You want to do your whole body, and you're literally cleansing yourself, right? Anybody that has ever looked at you with jealousy, anybody that's talked negatively about you, and you're going to do this all over your body. I'm talking about your ears, I'm talking about the back of your neck, the front. You really want to cleanse yourself, and you're going to move towards your arms, your chest. You want to move down in every part of your body, right? I'm only giving you one example. You do this in your legs, your back, your waist. You want to really use this as a cleansing tool to remove all of that negativity and to cleanse yourself and give you a fresh start. I love doing an egg cleanse every couple of months. I think it makes a huge difference, so you guys should definitely try it. We are also going to be taking a look. I'm going to crack it in a glass for you and look at the meaning. Definitely hope you guys try the egg cleanse. Let me know. I know eggs are super expensive nowadays, but this is definitely worth it. Now, once you've cleansed yourself with your egg, you want to grab a glass container with water, and you're going to crack the egg carefully without getting it on yourself so that you can do the reading. Now, as you can see from mine, there's a small amount, kind of like a web, that represents some negativity and some jealousy, which is almost part of, just picked up from everyday life. Thankfully, there isn't a lot on here. If you're seeing big bubbles at the top, it could signify negative energy or spell work that was done against you. If you're seeing needles that are pointing upwards, that also signifies jealousy. A white halo or a couple white halos around the yolk means you might be making decisions too quickly, so slow down and take some time to think before making those big decisions. If you're seeing black or red, if the egg looks rotten, you might want to check your health. If you see lots of bubbles at the top, a lot of bubbles at the top, that's what we call aire, and that represents, once again, just you picking up a lot of that negativity and jealousy. Cobweb-like shapes or like nail-like shapes also means an intense amount of envy or hate or ill malice. And these are just, again, so you can have a general idea. Keep in mind that every cleanse is different, so this is just a very general idea. I hope you find this helpful. Let me know in the comments if you tried the egg cleanse. Let me know what the yolk looked like for you. Remember to stay positive, stay powerful, and stay original.